Hey everyone, I'm Mandy.
And I'm Charlotte.
Charlotte is in 4th grade. She participates in basketball, volleyball, and 4-H cooking camps. Today, we're going to show you how to make a kid-friendly snack board.
A snack board is like a big plate filled with different types of food. It is colorful, fun to make, and perfect for sharing.
This is a creative way to get kids involved in choosing fun and nutritious snacks. Healthy snacks help kids like Charlotte get the nutrients they may not get at mealtime. We're using the USDA MyPlate as a guide to build our snack board. Grown-ups can use it to make a charcuterie board too.
Our snack board will have foods from each part of my plate. We'll have fruits, veggies, grains, protein, and dairy. You can make it with the foods you like.
And we'll show you how to make a turkey veggie pinwheel.
This is sure making me hungry.
Me too. So let's get started. First, we're going to wash our hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds.
Or you can sing the happy birthday song 2 times.
Okay, Charlotte, are you ready to make some turkey veggie pinwheels?
I am.
To make the pinwheels, we're using less fat cream cheese that we let soften a bit so it'll be easier to mix and spread. Add ranch seasoning mix to the cream cheese and stir until it's well mixed. Now lay out a medium whole wheat tortilla on a cutting board.
Spread a thin layer of cream cheese all the way out to the edge.
Lay turkey slices on top and leave about a 2-inch border. Add some spinach and shredded carrots for extra veggies. Now, starting from the bottom of the tortilla, roll it up tightly. The cream cheese on the edges will help hold the wrap together.
Place the tortillas in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the cream cheese is firm. This will make cutting them easier.
While our tortillas are chilling, we'll get our fruits and vegetables ready.
Always wash your fruits and vegetables under cool running water before cutting, peeling, or eating them.
Today for our fruit group, we're using strawberries, blueberries, and grapes. For our vegetable group, we're using sugar snap peas and carrots. We will also add some tomatoes. Arrange the fruits and vegetables on the snack board. You can use a large plate or cutting board. Here, you can be creative with your arrangement. We're using low-fat ranch dressing to dip the veggies in.
For the dairy group, add cubes of your favorite low-fat cheese. I like cheddar and mozzarella.
For the grains group, we'll add whole grain crackers and graham crackers. To make the pinwheels, trim off the edges about a 1/2 inch on each side. Slice the roll in half and then cut each half into thirds.
And don't forget to ask an adult for help. Look, a pinwheel.
That's awesome. Each tortilla will make 6 pinwheels. Place the pinwheels on the board. And there you have it.
A fun, delicious, and kid-friendly snack board.
Any leftovers should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator.
The pinwheels will keep for 3 days.
The recipes for turkey veggie pinwheels can be found online at lsuagcenter.com/buildahealthymeal or in the description box below. Follow us on Pinterest and Instagram for more healthy meal ideas.
So come on.
Let's build a healthy meal.